In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix no sound in Google Chrome. If videos, music, websites, or online meetings aren't playing audio, these simple troubleshooting steps can help restore sound quickly. First, check your computer's volume. Make sure your speakers or headphones are connected properly, the correct audio output device is selected, and your system isn't muted. Then play a video in Chrome and confirm the website's own volume isn't turned down. Next, check the Windows volume mixer. Right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar, select Open Volume Mixer, and make sure the volume for Google Chrome isn't muted or set too low. Now, check Chrome's site permissions. Open the website that's having audio issues, click the padlock icon next to the address bar, and make sure sound is set to allow. Refresh the page after making any changes. If the problem continues, disable your Chrome extensions. Click the three-dot menu, select Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Temporarily disable extensions one at a time, especially ad blockers or media-related extensions, and test the audio after each one. Next, clear Chrome's cache and cookies. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, then delete browsing data. Select cookies and other site data and cached images and files, then click Delete Data. Finally, make sure Chrome is updated. Open the three-dot menu, go to Help, then About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install the latest version if one is available. Restart the browser after updating. If you're still not hearing sound, restart your computer and test Chrome again. In most cases, one of these steps resolves the issue. That's how to fix no sound in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.